How much you think I pay for this on the flea market?
$20?
$20?
$20.
Come on, man. It's a plaque. The flea market.
30.
New Haven. You know how much? You're gonna be surprised.
$10.
$5. I can get you 100 of them. And I can put your name also here too.
That's crazy.
We can make it even if you want a million. And gold plated too.
Shit,
It's a good work, right?
I thought this nigga was for real, nigga. I thought this nigga was for real.
But that's a good work,
I thought
right?
this nigga was
For
really on
$5.
YouTube going crazy.
For $5 it's good. Don't
Yeah,
you
it's
think?
not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. Actually, you can see yourself in
You
it
can
too.
even a mirror, yeah.
Yeah, I know,
Take it in your
that's-
car, use a mirror.
It's kind of crazy, man. Dude, this shit is not gonna be on YouTube.
Free market join, man. $5. Everybody buys.
Oh shit!
What?
This nigga right here, yo. So it looks.
Not?
Yeah,
It's
that's
not flea market?
nah. That's not flea
Oh my
market.
God,
Oh
man.
shit! So this shit's for real, nigga.
So it's real.
Damn.
Damn!